Hello friends, we are here this time with the recipe for making a delicious cheesy pasta. What makes this special is that we are going to bake the pasta with all colorful veggies and lots of cheese. So let's get started. First, we need to cook the pasta. Now this part I'm doing in a saucepan. Heat at medium and then pour in the water necessary for cooking the pasta. As the water is heated, let's add the pasta for cooking. Here I'm taking the Penne pasta. You may take any variety of pasta for this recipe. Next, add some salt. Also, I'm adding some olive oil. I also like to add some mixed herbs. Let's quickly give a stir. Then keep to cook the pasta till al dente. Now, to speed up, just cover with a lid. Today, I'm going to make a veggie pasta loaded with lots of cheese. So, in the meantime, let's prepare the veggies. Wash them well and then cut them to your desired size and shapes. Now, for the veggies, here I'm taking the colored bell peppers. You can also take any vegetables of your choice. I also like to add a small portion of white onion. Let's chop them to thin slices. And also, I'm adding half a portion of fresh carrot. Just cut them to the desired size and shape. Now, for this recipe, you can also use protein of any source or more vegetables if you like. So, after about 5 to 10 minutes, here we have the pasta cooked at desired level. Off the flame. And next, we need to drain the water off. And for that, first, I prefer to add some room temperature water. This will help to stop the cooking process and also remove the extra starch from the pasta while we drain it. Now let's drain the water off from the pasta and then keep it aside. Now from here, let's proceed to the next step of baking the pasta. I'm taking a baking tray and I've lined it with foil paper. Now, first into the tray, we layer with the cooked pasta. You can serve this as a good lunch or perhaps dinner. Then I'm going to add tomato paste. So here you can also use a fresh tomato puree. Simply spread it over the pasta. I also like to use a small portion of tomato sauce. And now I'm going to add some spreadable cheddar cheese. You can also use the shredded cheese. Then spread them randomly over the pasta. And next comes the veggies. So let's add the veggies one by one and then set them in layers. Then I'm going to add a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. So in the same way, let's make a second layer. You just have to repeat with the layers. First, add the cooked pasta. For detailed recipes and to take printouts, you can check our website. Then comes tomato paste, tomato sauce, next the spreading cheddar cheese, also I'm adding some chili flakes, and some mixed herbs. Add a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese, and lastly some grated cheddar cheese. Now, the amount of cheese for this recipe is absolutely your choice, though I have used it very generously. For the final finish, let's top with the remaining veggies, if there are any. And here it's time to bake our pasta at 180 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes. And out of the oven, here we have a delicious and cheesy pasta ready to serve. Serve hot and enjoy. This makes a good lunch and perhaps a good dinner too. Try making this version of baked pasta, and I'm sure you're going to love it. And do share with us your feedbacks. Thank you for spending time with us, and hope to see you in our next video. If you like watching our videos, do subscribe to our channel and stay connected with us. Stay healthy and stay happy.